Hey, what's up guys? It's James. Say hi, Kelsey. Hi. That's Kelsey and
Marie.
And we're going out this weekend to dig razor clams in ocean shores. We have an enormous amount of gear. The goal is to use all of it. We just found out that we're going to be camping somewhere where there's going to be 15 to 25 mile-an-hour winds, no tree cover whatsoever, and we have a tent shaped like a giant umbrella. It's going to be fun. We should have some great footage. Let's go do it. Hey, you got everything valuable with you, right?
Yes. Okay,
Oh my God.
okay.
Why would anybody do this during the day?
Howdy. How's it looking out there?
There's a lot showing out there now.
There's a lot more showing now.
Cool.
And
Oh, that's really exciting.
It's the right time to come out.
You don't have to go all the way to the surf. They're up above the surf.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Nice.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Adios.
All right, I would say let's just go up to the surf line and see where it's at. And then we sort of get oriented because obviously it's a little hard to figure out what the fuck's happening right now.
Marie, I'm so fucking happy you're taking me razor clamming.
Oh, I'm so happy.
so
This is so
cool.
exciting that I get to be like the teacher who barely
know.
knows what they're doing.
Hi, Poopy. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweet buns.
You having any luck in this area?
No, right where that guy's standing. From there, it's about 20 feet back.
Here.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, do it.
oh God, I'm gonna rip these pants. I missed it. Oh wait, look, I cut the tongue off. Oh no.
It's still down there. You get it?
Maybe it was the other way. Was it the other way? I don't know. I feel bad. That's like the best part. Yeah. I can't stand up in these pants. Ugh.
There it is.
I got it. Sorry for cutting your tongue off.
Fruits of your labor.
It looks like it's the wrong direction. I was going the wrong direction.
You gotta go down towards the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stupid. Never mind, get out of my way.
Cute.
Oh, there you are.
Get it.
Oh my God. I'm
Get-
chasing him.
You got it.
Oh wow.
No, that's a nice fatty.
Yeah. Just saw his neck sticking out.
And he was like going straight down.
Yeah. I got the gun in there deep and fast. And it wasn't enough.
Oh. Oh. Poor baby. Put you back.
There's like a rhythm.
It's not awkward at all.
What you gonna do with a clamming gun? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Probably a shrimp.
Yeah. See a shrimp.
That's the only problem, is that you get the false positives, right?
Yes.
The red herring, but they're not fish, they're shrimp. There we go. Nice.
Oh, holy shit.
What?
Look at this hole.
Oh, nice.
What do you have? You go for it?
Chase him. Yeah.
Ta-da!
I found one.
Good job.
Thanks, Marie. I didn't know that you had to chase them. You
Yeah,
just
that's-
grab them and then they're okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Nothing?
No,
Team
he's
in
in
there?
there.
Get him. He's probably gonna go faster than you.
Marie, I don't need that kind of.
And then I think it leaves. You go twice?
Yeah, you gotta go twice.
Thank you, because I'm having trouble with this old guy here, so get her, Kelsey, get her.
Oh no, go get one.
No, he said go twice, go again.
Nice.
I got one.
Yeah, good job,
Big one,
baby. I don't think there's any leverage to do that. Oh yeah, you got it. Yes, thank you.
You realize I'm literally teaching leverage right now in class, right?
It's worth it.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, twice works.
Twice worked.
Twice works. Got the gun.
See this?
Yeah.
They're deep.
It was a shrimp. Yeah, I got a shrimp with my clam that time. Hi, sweet one. Hi. All the good babies on the beach.
And we love them back, huh?
I'm gonna have dog hair everywhere. Look at my hands. My hands are covered in dog hair. Look what you did. Look what you did.
Okay, so I want to do this like every weekend.
I'm glad you're having a good time.
This is like the dumbest, totally like being a dog on the beach, just stupid.
Digging for shit.